Yeah, I can't even believe this. For real, for real. I gotta walk all the way to the nearest AutoZone because I snapped my solenoid evap. So I'm on the way there now, walking down the street. So this is the solenoid evap that I broke off. I broke it right there, and we're on the way to AutoZone to pick up a new one. All right, guys, we made it to AutoZone. All right, guys, I was finally able to make it back from AutoZone, and this is what I was able to pick up. So AutoZone had a set of Longtube headers and a 2.5 straight back pipe to these beautiful, beautiful MagnaFlow mufflers. Now, they did only have 3-inch solo exhaust. So if you guys don't know, I've really been intrigued with how these Pontiac G8s sit with quad tips in the back. So instead of those singles for dual, I'm gonna get another set of quads, but I'm gonna make them bigger. So guys, yes, I know I am lying a little bit. I didn't actually get this from AutoZone. I did hit up somebody on Marketplace, and he had a set of 1 7/8 Longtube headers and this full exhaust system. And my car is stock right now, so I'm trying to make it louder, and I know for a fact this is going to add to it. So when you're taking off the old stock headers on the Pontiac G8, what you want to do is you want to start by removing these coil packs just to move them out the way so you can get a little bit more clearance, and you can either take them off from here or prop them up. And then what you want to do is, mine are 14mm bolts, so I'm gonna put a 14 on my socket wrench and I'm gonna socket them out. I am gonna put some WD-40s just so it's a little bit easier. Guys, I already got this header off, and I'm working on taking the dipstick and this header off as well. Alright guys, I finished installing the Longtube headers, but it did start to rain, so I'll get with you guys in the morning for a header dumped Longtube header cold start. What is that noise? I done shifted my knee and dropped it on my ankle. Not that it's a bad time. It's just I'm doing what some people would do. Put your leg on. But I'm new. And all I gotta do is bolt it into the front. He like, nah, I want to go inside. You playing with me. He said, you playing games. I should have figure out the back in a second. Whew. It is so hot. Oh. All right. All right. We're getting somewhere. Getting somewhere. Now one of the hardest parts is to line you up. I'm gonna have to tighten it so that there's no exhaust leak. But it went on first try. It seems like both of them were about to go on the first try, actually. There might be a little exhaust leak when I started, just because I didn't tighten them fully, but it's ready to start.